Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try a Dutch pour, but I'm going to make, this is a 16 by 20 grade canvas, and hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today what I'm doing, actually, you're going to see this as a continuation because I don't know what made me think I could do it, but I tried to do a quadruple Dutch pour. And you can see back here it didn't turn out. So what I'm doing now is I've mixed those same colors in a cup. I'm just spreading this color around so that it will smooth out and flow easily, because I'm going to try to do some kind of a tree ring pour. Not going to be real picky, I just want a better picture than what I got. So there it be. I like it better than what we had before. Still not totally thrilled with it. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and we'll see you real soon for a new video. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye bye now.